Hey, it's Nina Nevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song Goodness of God. It is so beautiful, and I'm just going to go through the entire song, or maybe just a part of it, and then I'll go through each detail with you. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. So good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so with every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. And then you go into the bridge. God, your goodness is running after, it's running after me. It's running after me. And you go to the rest of the bridge. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. All my life you have been faithful. Been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. It's such a beautiful song, and I'm doing it in the original key that Bethel usually does it in, and it is in the key of A flat. So what I'm doing in this song, I'm simplifying it a lot, and I actually have been so in love with this way of playing, is just keeping your right hand on the key of the song, which in this case is an A flat. So my right hand is constantly on that A flat, and if you don't like how that sounds, you can definitely play out full chords. So for example, I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. You could change your right hand chords. That's definitely a choice. I'm just kind of keeping it on the, no matter if I switch my left hand chords, my right hand just stays on this A key, A flat key. So watch, I'm switching my left hand. For your mercy never fails me. And my right hand stays on the same spot. And then I go like A flat, all my days. So there's a quick switch from E flat to F. All my days I've been D flat, held in your hands, E flat. From the moment that I wake up, you have an F minor, wake up, D flat, till I lay my head, A flat. But notice, right after you hit the A flat, you have to go back to E flat and F. So, till I lay my head, I will sing, D flat, and then E flat, goodness, and A flat of God. And if you don't like black keys, you could just bring it either a key higher and just do it in the key of A. Love you, Lord. And just hit on the white keys mostly. For your mercy never fails me all my day. Wait, I don't know if it's going to work the same way. Anyway, so if you want, you could do it in the key of A or in the key of G. It's a little lower. Love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails me. So if you don't like black keys, there's always a choice to go either a little higher to play on the white keys or a little lower. So anyway, continuing with the song in the original A flat, the reason why I like to keep my hand on the key of the A flat is because the left hand chords are changing so fast that honestly it would be hard to change both my hands. So for example, like mercy never fails me all my days. I've been held within your hands from the moment that I wake up till I lay my head. I will sing of the goodness of God. So you could definitely do that. Switch all the chords, or you could play like this. Lord, for your mercy never fails me all my days. I've been held within your hands from the moment that I wake up till I lay my head. I will sing of the goodness of God. So notice the difference. It's just I'm keeping my right hand at the same spot all the time, and it just simplifies everything. You could go to all the chords and actually play the chords for the chorus. I think that sounds really pretty. All my life you have been faithful. I really like pressing on the G note here, so in that transition time. So, all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able. So watch. Here you have a really quick transition too. Breath that I am able. So every breath that I am able, I will sing. So notice that that's why I don't like switching chords with my right hand in this song, because the left hand chords, they change quite fast, so I would rather just keep my right hand. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so I think I'm late for that. Okay. Every breath that I am able, I will sing. Yeah, it does go right away. So, with every breath that I am, with every breath that I am able, I will sing. So, able. Notice that. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. So because of these switches, if you do happen to miss this E flat, just skip it, okay? So that's another suggestion. So with every breath that I am able, I will sing. So if you happen to miss it, that's okay. Just go straight to the F minor. and you'll be fine. Because I think I did that when I just did the entire song. I missed it, and then I would just go straight to the F minor, and no one really notices. It's not too big of a deal. Anyway, so going into the bridge, you have the same chords. So you have your A flat, goodness is running after, D flat. You have your E flat, running after me, and back to A flat. Super simple chords, and as you build up, just play on that bass more often, especially if you don't have a bass player. Goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. So for everything here, you're going to be playing F minor. So if you keep your hand on the A flat key, it's just going to make things easier, and occasionally just slip to that G here for transition. Anyway, just that G is kind of helpful for transition. You can keep your hand like that if you want. Anyway, so that's the full song. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love the song. I think it's definitely my new favorite. I'm singing it a lot lately. And if you need any help just kind of figuring out how to play with this pattern, the simple pattern that you don't even have to look at the piano to play, be sure to visit my website, worshippianotutorials.com, where I teach all of these techniques, as well as a gigantic library of worship song tutorials. It's amazing. Anyway, see you there, and I will also see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.